Memorial Day is a special day in the United States. It occurs every year on the last Monday in May. Memorial Day is a time to remember and honor the brave people who served in the military and gave their lives for our country. What happens on Memorial Day? On Memorial Day, many people do different things to show respect. Some people visit cemeteries and place flowers or flags on graves. Some people watch parades with American flags, music, and soldiers. Some people take a moment of silence to remember the fallen heroes. What do I do on Memorial Day? I might stay home with my family or go to an event. I can listen, watch, and learn. I can be calm and respectful during quiet moments. Some families also have picnics, barbecues, or go to the beach on Memorial Day. That's okay. It's a time to enjoy our freedom while still being thankful. I will be respectful and kind on Memorial Day. I can learn, listen, and say thank you.